Hey everyone, welcome to Videshi Stories. I know it's been too long, but here I am, taking you through. Watch the complete video for some real time tips so that you can plan your next visit hassle free. So, this is what we did. We arrived to Niagara Falls around 5:30 pm that evening, and then we stayed in an Airbnb that was just 20 minutes away from Niagara Falls. So after freshening up, we headed straight to the falls to catch some light show and fireworks. Luckily, we stumbled upon a parking lot that is right next to falls that offered free parking from 5 p.m. to 7:30 a.m. If in case you are driving, then this is something that you can look for. Here is the magical light show of Niagara Falls that I've been waiting to witness.
Wow, actually the blue red is the perfect color actually.
It was orange when I was taking these pictures, but it's supposed to be white. I don't like it. And around 9:30 p.m. the fireworks started, and it was for 10 minutes, I think. To watch both light show and fireworks, it was so beautiful. I would suggest you guys to come a little early and find a spot where you can watch both light show and the fireworks, or else you will be standing behind where you can only watch the fireworks. After being dazzled by the light show and fireworks, we knew we needed to recharge for another exciting day. So we were back to our Airbnb. It was just a short walk from the falls. We took a well deserved nap, and then waking up refreshed, we were ready to be back at the falls by 9 a.m. First thing in the morning, guess what we did? I know, we went straight to Maid of Mist boat tour. Tickets were readily available on site, so we grabbed them and hopped in line for this epic adventure.
two royals are in there. The two seagulls on that one
Next up on our Niagara Falls adventure was the Cave of the Winds. We collected the tickets, and there was a small show about the history of the falls. it was time for the main event. We geared up in our rain ponchos and headed towards the falls. Let me tell you, we got absolutely drenched, but it was the most beautiful experience. We snapped pictures, took videos like crazy, capturing every moment of this must do Niagara Falls adventure. Seriously, if you ever get the chance, experiencing the Cave of Winds is something you won't forget. Trust me. Both the Cave of Winds and the Maid of Mist will leave you soaked. But trust me, that's the fun part. Here's a tip for you all. Pack an extra pair of clothes and shoes in your car so that way you can enjoy this and then change it to your comfortable clothes and continue the journey. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our Niagara Falls adventure. If you like the video, please like and share it with your friends and plan this amazing trip to Niagara Falls this summer. And if you have any questions, comment below and I will answer them all. And subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Bye.